Hey everybody, Stan Dale, President Florida SunCoast BMW. Hope you're doing well. Here we are. Hey, what a great weekend we just had this past weekend. We held our annual luncheon up at the Hyatt Regency there in Sarasota. Had a bunch of folks out and just had a great day. Spent a lot of time together, good food, good fellowship, the whole 9 yards. Wrapped up a year, sort of wrapped up what we did last year and pointed ourselves into 2024. 193 events is what we scheduled last year and executed. And that's just an amazing when you think about all the folks that turn out and support what we do and all the area governors and the work they put into it. 193 events in 52 weekends and some weeks. Just an amazing feat, and we're very, very proud of everybody. Hope you enjoy what we do, and if you got new ideas, let us know. I want to congratulate Meribeth Culver. Meribeth is our area governor up in the villages, Ocala and Gainesville area. And Meribeth is our member of the year this year, just has done some amazing work up there. She runs 2 events and sometimes 3 events a month. Has really engaged 2 of our dealerships there, BMW of Ocala and BMW of Gainesville. And there's more to come. So just congratulations to Meribeth. Just a wonderful job, and just proud of the work you've done. On another note of pride, let me tell you that Russ Garvey has served this chapter for more than 21 years. He's been, I think, in every capacity, maybe once and maybe even twice. He's been president. He's been on the board. He's currently serving as a senior board member. I think he's been over Motorsports. I think he's done a ton of other things. Russ is retiring. I'll give you more as things progress here between now and June. I got a little bit more of a surprise for that, but we want to say thanks to Russ and all the things that he's delivered and continues to do. He's been our historian. He's been our keeper of our bylaws, and just you name it. And he really does put on a really cool, planned cool event. So we appreciate that. Hey, speaking of events, last minute hitting the calendar. Here it is. It hit the calendar yesterday or today, I believe, but it's this weekend. Sorry for the late notice, but we've got the Classic Car Club, Classic BMW Car Club of America, in joint with the Porsche dealerships, both in Ocala, are doing an event on Saturday. This Saturday from 12 to 1 o'clock. Marybeth has helped make that happen, and it's a joint event. It's going to be at BMW Ocala. Rob's folks there just really doing a bang-up job. So go out. You're going to see some BMWs that you normally don't get a chance to see. Go check those out. It's a really busy weekend. We got 5 events going on this weekend as we start things up. Jacksonville Caffeine and Octane this Saturday. We've got Lakeland Cars and Coffee going on this Saturday. We have a joint drive with Panama City and Tallahassee. Joint drive to the Half Shell Dockside is going on this Saturday. We also have a run to the Yalaha Bakery this Saturday. So if you want to get in any of these 5 events, check out the calendar, get in there now, and I'm sure we can make room. We can squeeze you in. So take care of that. After we get through with that, next Saturday we have 2 big events going on. Cars and Coffee in our Fort Myers dealership, always a great event. But next Saturday is also the Bimmer Invasion in Orlando. So the Invasion, there's 1,800, 2,000 BMWs. We will be there along with BMW CCA, along with the Performance Center, along with the M chapter, and we're showing about a dozen, 15 cars, cars that we've invited to come and show at the Invasion. If you're going to be there, come check us out, and then we'll give you some pictures, videos, and hopefully some drone pictures and all that kind of stuff as we get back with the Invasion. And then February the 20th is the Jacksonville dinner meeting, so check that out. And then check out Al's stuff going on there. So a lot of things happening in the chapter right now. So we light the fuse on 2024. So until then, we'll tell you, get off the sofa, man. You're burning daylight if you're not out here doing something with us. Until then, happy motoring. See ya. Thanks.